How to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own story. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application directly, and it will lead you here to your home page. Now, to be able to actually repost someone else's story is you have to be mentioned for that. As you can see, go to your on the upper right, you will see your messenger icon there. Just tap on that and tap on here. As you can see, mentioned you in their story. Just tap on that. If you then it will look like this. On the story, you will see add to your story. Now let's see, you can click on that and tap on add to your story. Now here it will look like this, and then just tap on your story, and basically you have now reposted someone else's Instagram story here. Now, the other way to be able to repost someone else's story is, let's say you're not mentioned or you're not tagged on the story. What you can do is to take a screenshot of this and then just put it as your own story. Or what you can do is to screen record it now. Let's put it this way. This is what we just screenshot and here, and then tap on your story, and now you have successfully reposted someone else's Instagram story without you being mentioned. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.